The third meaning of judging another person, meaning that this person says, listen, the tone that you use with me, don't act like you're perfect. On this moral high horse, you're looking down upon the rest of us. No, you make mistakes too. You have shortcomings as well. Does Islam agree with this? 110%. And this is a problem we have, again, in our communities, where those who are more outwardly practicing of the religion, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will test them with this. How will they speak to those who may not be outwardly as practicing? Will they use the wrong tone? This is a test. Sometimes one servant of Allah becomes a test for the other servant of Allah. And this is a problem we have. And this is why you have a concept in Quran and Hadith known as the concept of ta'yir. Ta'yir. And the Hadith says, amongst multiple Hadith, the Hadith says, Man ayyara mu'minan. Man ayyara akhah. The one who scorns his brother or sister because of a mistake that they had done. How could you? What type of person are you? This is scorning, humiliating this person because of the mistakes that he's made. The Hadith says, Lam yamut. This person himself won't die until he commits the same sin. Or in other Hadith it says the same sin or a greater sin. You don't have the right, I don't have the right to sit there and scorn other people because of their mistakes.